Welcome back with another press-on video. Welcome my beautiful viewers. Welcome my lovely subscribers. So here I am doing another press-on set with the Trendy 3D flowers in the shade purple. As I always said, I like shaping down the cuticle area of my tips so that it fits better after applying all that product. Then I proceed with buffing off the shine from the surface of the tip in order for the product not to peel over time. Here I am applying the tips on the nail stand and pressing it down hard so that it doesn't fall off when applying the gel or doing your nail art. Guys, I'll be speeding through some of the video because I do not want it to be too long. After getting rid of the dust, I'll be going in with my base coat and 4 applications of gel color. I am using this pastel purple from Savillon Glow in the Dark. Guys, this color is so pretty. It's prettier than what you've seen on the camera. Now I am going in with my 4th application. Here I am finishing off with my top coat and proceed to the Trendy 3D flowers. Guys, let me tell you, it's my first time doing this, so I want you to tell me how did I do. So this color that you see me applying here is the cat eye, and I'm telling you, I don't know what caused me to think about this, but trying the cat eye on one of them, I didn't think it was adding up, you know. I didn't want the color to change, but yeah, I had to take it off, guys, and I was just here contemplating, should I still, and I said, you know what, no. So you tell me if the cat eye had looked good, that what you saw, tell me if it looks good, if it could have stayed. But for me, I didn't think it was, you know, I think it was changing the whole game. I am using this hard gel to create the 3D Trendy flowers because that's what I see. And I went ahead and I used the glow in the dark powder purple to match. It's going to be a little bit brighter because that's what I wanted. But guys, after doing this, it's like it was so hard. It was so hard to stick to the nail because I think the powder makes it very dry. You're my escape from my darkest days. But when the sun is shining, you know we out here riding, chasing the horizon with you. Now I will be cutting it in 5 equal parts and roll each parts in a ball. As I said earlier on, guys, the powder makes the gel really dry. So what I had to do is put a little bit of base coat on it. Just not too much because if you put too much, it's going to be too sticky. But I put a little tad of base on it so that it was able to stick. It goes like I never thought I'd find it. A love that feels so perfect. I can't even word it. Now I am here wondering if I put the balls on too big. But as I play along with it, I see it forming. I said, okay. And it was kind of hard at first, but let me tell you guys, it came out really nice. To me, you have to give me your opinion on how it looks, but to me it came out really nice, and I want to try it again on a different color background. Guys, I am sorry if I'm speeding through fast, but this is a very long video, so I had to do that. But I hope you're seeing clearly what I'm doing here. So I will be outlining the flowers with some white and finishing off with some gold metal balls. will be doing the same thing on all the other fingers. So if you want to see this video longer, you let me know, or other videos longer, you let me know. But I'll be making it shorter because I do not want to have a long video and I do not want you guys to get bored. Here I am going in with my metal ball beads and proceed to the top coat. Guys, this is my final look. So comment down below and tell me how did I do. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe, comment again, and share. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.